All right. Take two. The man with the chainsaw has now sharpened his chainsaw, and we're back.
Did it does it say anything about
Did you press the record button? Yep. Okay. It will be, won't it? As he artfully studies the tree to see where the best cut is.
Uh-oh. I think he's... Looks like he's so opposite way it's going to go the other way.
I think so.
Now we can see how he's cutting it.
Once more we pause for artful study of the tree.
You paused it?
No, I didn't pause the video. We're just saying Daddy's pausing to study the tree and see which way he can make it fall.
He's trying to pull it. He can't pull that tree over. We need thousands of daddies to pull that tree over.
It would. And here we have two very interested junior tree cutters watching the proceedings.
They're pretty strong.
They are. Not yet. Did your... Okay.
But I'm wondering if that when I put it on it, then it says, get battery.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's gonna fall. There it goes. Timber, watch the apple tree. Please watch the apple tree. Oh, wow. We did it. Daddy did good. He missed the apple tree and the dogwood tree. Good job, Daddy. All right.